how to change the control center settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize your quick panel on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. After that, swipe down again to fully expand it and see all your quick settings tiles. From there, tap on the edit or pencil icon to enter edit mode. At this point, you will see all your active tiles at the top and all available tiles below that are not currently showing. In the next step, press and hold on any tile and drag it to rearrange its position in the quick panel. Following this, if you want to add a new tile, scroll down to find it and drag it up to the active tile section. Once done, if you want to remove a tile from your quick panel, drag it down to the inactive section. From here, you can also tap on the three dots at the top right corner for additional layout options like changing the number of columns or rows displayed. Finally, once you're happy with your layout, tap Done or the back button to save your changes, and your quick panel will now reflect your custom setup. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you customize your control center, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.